The jungle fishing is like something I had never done before.
Costa Rica has been super awesome. It's a super cool place for biodiversity. There's all kinds of different fisheries. We fish for the machaca that eat a nut or a seed that falls out of the chilomate tree, and they eat topwater for a different reason than any other fish in the world eats topwater. And it's a super cool, unique experience. You can fish them fly, fish them spinning rod. You can pretty much do whatever you want here.
Coming down and floating down a river to fish for these relatively small fish was not the highlight of my trip until I got here.
Machaca are probably the most vicious, fastest hitting fish I've ever seen hit a topwater. Like, before the thing even hits the water sometimes, the fish are already eating it, and that is, you really gotta be on your A game to get the hook set. You can pretty much do whatever you like to do and have a ton of fun out here. And then you got the jungle where you're staying, the beach jungle, or the jungle beach, however you want to say it. The hermit crabs are insane. The funniest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man.
The best way to explain the jungle fishing is, most importantly, the relationships that you develop with these guys out here. And, you know, a mile and a half into our kayaking trip, we saw 3 whales breach. 10 minutes later, we saw a 20 or 30 dolphin. And then 5 minutes later, Rad Chad catches a trumpet fish.
It's just awesome. The fish out there's so many different types of cool fish to catch around every corner and every nook and cranny, every rock. There's just filled with a variety of things that you can do that are completely different from the way we do it. So, absolutely amazing.
Nice.
Guy's a hell of a guide, I tell you what.
Hell yeah, I bought it. Good job, bro. Nice, dude. Adios.
There's no better way to explain it. The species that you're gonna get, the experience that you're gonna get, and the hard work that you're gonna put into catching these fish. It's not easy fishing. It's just not. And that's what makes it really, really unique and special, especially for the fellow outdoorsman and fly fisherman. If you want a really unique experience that you're probably not going to get anywhere else, this is where it's at.